What is up, beautiful people? TJ here with another episode. Today I'm going to be going and doing some Instacart driving, some Instacart riding. I have a promo today for getting 5. If you get 5 batches, if you complete 5 batches, you get a guaranteed $60 plus your tip. So I'm gonna see how much I can make in this little short period of time. I want to go as short as possible and see how much money I can make in those 5 batches. So let's see what I can get into. All right, so this is my first order of the day. It is at Target. It's a total of 6 items. And they gave me about 11 minutes to shop these items. So I'm gonna go in here and see how long it's gonna take me to get all these items. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. And then we're gonna drop it off. All right, so first shop of the day wasn't too terrible. There was one item that they did not have. It was laundry sanitizer. The store just didn't have any. They didn't have any adequate replacement. So if you run into an issue like that, don't panic, because I know some people probably panic when they can't find stuff. Target is not as good as some of the other public stores I've been at. They didn't really have any in the back. So I checked with them. I sent the person a message and they just told me it was fine, just to give them a refund for that. So if they don't have a replacement and they don't suggest a replacement in the app, just message them as quickly as possible. I think that's the biggest thing, is making sure that you have messaged them as fast as possible, because you want to go ahead and get in and out of the store. So that shop took a little bit longer than what I wanted to, because I couldn't find the laundry sanitizer. It was supposed to take me 11 minutes. It took me 14 minutes. So I'm a little bit over my goal, but that's okay. We're going to get this stuff sent to my customer by 10:09. It is 9:52. I think I'll make it. All right, so first order was completed. It took me about, I don't know, maybe 25 minutes to get that whole ordeal done. I'm going to go out to a different side of town, and that's not for Instacart, and that is for doing some retail arbitrage. I'm gonna go find some Walmart hidden clearance, but while I'm on that side of town, I'm gonna see if I can pick up a couple of Instacart orders. So let's get over there.
Damn, son.
All right, so I got done with that order. It wasn't too bad. There was, she did add a couple of items, which takes a little bit longer because you have to go and find these items, because it didn't add the aisle number. So I went and found them. One of the items was not available. I didn't panic. I went and asked one of the workers in there that was working on the aisles. Publix, they're really good with that. You ask them where it is. They pretty much know the store in and out because they stock the shelves. And she knew right off the top that they didn't have any more if it wasn't in a certain spot. So she went and took me to the spot. It wasn't there. And I messaged the lady, and she was like, hey, that's fine. Just give me this. And then I got her the other thing, and I got in and out. So that was 24 minutes, which is 12 minutes over my goal, because I had to add those other items on, and I couldn't find that one item. So right now we're all in at about 55 minutes, and I'm gonna go drop this off. It's 6 minutes away. So let's go make this delivery. This Publix is very, very busy. It's always full of people, and it's always a lot of Instacart shoppers, a lot of regular shoppers, and it is just super, super busy. All right, I have made it to my downtown Publix. This store is so busy. I can already tell because there's not very many parking spots, so I know it's going to be kind of crazy in here. I am going to put my earbuds in, and I'm going to go into the store and do my shopping. Hopefully this order doesn't take that much. It's got 2 people on it. One person has 10 items, the other person has 12 items. And they live like not too far away from here, so the delivery should be okay. This is order number 3 for me out of 5. So yeah, wish me luck. normally the way that I will separate these is physically, and I also separate them while I'm shopping them. So I have the first order will be in the buggy, the second order will be in these little hand carts, and then when I check out, I'll put the second order in a paper bag. And I did put this in plastic, even though these go together, but I'll separate them physically in the car. So I'll put order A will go in the front seat, order B will go in the back seat. Also, since this order did have a frozen item, I will put them in, put this in a freezer bag or a cold storage bag, so to keep it nice and cold while I go deliver this order. Always put the buggy back in the cart station, not on the side. So they did take about 23 minutes with checkout. It gave me 37 minutes, so I'm a little bit early on this one, which is pretty good. But I don't know exactly how long it's gonna take me to drop these off. So we're gonna go and drop both of these off, and I'll tell you exactly how long it took me. All right, so I got that one done, or I got those two orders done. The first order took me about 7 minutes to deliver. The second order took about 5 minutes. So we're gonna add, it was 23 minutes to shop, and then it took about 12 minutes. So that is what, 35 minutes, 37, let's say 40 minutes. 40 minutes for that whole entire order. So I'm gonna go and get some lunch because I am starving, and then we will get back on the hunt. I got 2 more orders left to get my 5. Okay, so I did accept another order. It's only got like 6 items. It's pretty close. I think the drive is like a mile away, so it's going to be a pretty quick order, hopefully, if they got everything in here. I am at a different location. I don't know about this location. Last time, it was a disaster coming here, but we're going to try it out. 6 items. Hopefully, I can get them pretty quickly. All right, so when you are out shopping orders, make sure you're staying hydrated. Got me a big old water, and I also had to give me a sun kiss because I need something sweet. All right, so I just got a really quick order. It was a total of 6 items. It took me 5 minutes to shop the order. It took me 2 minutes to check out, which is 7 minutes. And it took me 3 minutes to get to the person's house. So 10 minutes total, the whole transaction. And then that earned me, I think it was like $17, which is pretty good. So now I'm gonna go, and I've got 1 more order left. Hopefully it's a good one. Okay, so as I was driving to my downtown location, there actually was an order that popped up for one that's close to my house, and it was $36 for 30 items or so. So I'm going here and shop that. That'll be my last order, and then we will do a quick roundup of how much I think we want to make today. And we also have a special guest in here too. Let's see who that is. Y'all look who I found. Bit rougher than some of the other ones. This is the most items I've shopped in the store, so I think that's why this one seemed like it was a little bit rougher. But this one, it had 30 items. I think it was like 44 with the extras. The only thing that threw me for a loop was that they were out of a specific kind of bread. She wanted the Sara Lee artisan bread. They didn't have it, so I had to substitute that. It took a little bit while to figure out the right one, but I'm gonna get this one loaded up and taken over and delivered, and we'll go with the numbers. All right, so I'm gonna go over the breakdown of what I got. So the whole point of me doing this was to do the promo, which was 5 batches for guaranteed $60. So when you break that down, that means you're gonna get a guaranteed $12 per batch. So it didn't matter what the batch total was. If it was one batch, it was going to be either $5 for an in-shop order, or it's going to be $7 for a deliver order. So just keep those numbers in mind. So when I was picking my batches, I was really keeping that in mind, that I wanted to get that $60 to get those 5 batches. So each one of the batches were, you know, close to the $11-12 mark, except the one that had 2 orders, and that one had 2 of the $7 batches in there, as well as the last order had quite a big tip. So the tips are on top of the $60. So that's why when you get these promos, you really want to get those promos, because you know you're going to be able to make a guaranteed $60 that you can transfer to your account, and then plus on top of that you can get your tips on top of that. So grand total, I made $113 and some odd change, and Instacart actually gave me the $22 to make up the difference, and I made an average of about $36, $37 per hour. So if you want to make some money, you can make money. I only worked for about 3 hours. It's showing active 4 hours and 53 minutes, but that was with my impromptu trip to Walmart in there as well. So if you want to check out Instacart, I will leave a code down at the bottom if you want to join and try it out. If you do click on it and you do Instacart, I will get a little bit of a referral, and it does help the channel out, so I appreciate that. So if you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.